India. A vibrant, bustling world, home to over 1 billion people. But if you know where to look, the most spectacular wildlife, ancient cultures, and extreme landscapes can be found. I'm Liz Bonnin. I'm here to explore India's spectacular wildlife in one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. I've spent years studying wildlife, but every time I return to India, I discover something new.
I completely underestimated how extraordinary and eye-opening this is going to be.
Actor Freida Pinto was born here. She wants to share the remarkable bond between India's people and the natural world.
You always see that there is a connection between man and animal.
And from the highest peaks on Earth, mountaineer Jon Gupta explores India's most extreme landscapes.
My passion is mountains, and there is nowhere in the world like the Himalayas.
We're traveling the length and breadth of this subcontinent to reveal the hidden wonders of India's natural world. These are